this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 66, the last of this month's delivery of the Infinity Gauntlet from Fanhome and Marvel. Let's flick through the magazine quickly and get on with the last part of this part of the build. So that's what we've got there. Looking through that, nice pictures, but I'm not reading the words. If you want to, obviously, that's your business. So there we go. This is what we're going to be doing. The last strip for the inner forearm. What I will do is grab out the rest of it, the rest of the other forearm, and see if it's going to match up. I don't know if there's an outside piece. Yeah, it looks like there's a bit that's going to join them, but we'll have a look and see. Can't really tell from there, but I think there's an edge piece either side, but we'll have a look. That's what we've got there. Read all about him, them, everything. There we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get 5 more screws in and see how it looks together. So this is the piece, which is much the same as we started with more than a month ago. I've got a bag of screws and a spare bag of screws because I didn't use all of them. So I shall get those out of there. I'll put the others safe in my spares packet. So this is what we've been building so far. And this is going on there like that. Again, making sure it lines up properly on the inside. Through there, so we'll get the screws in there, not like that. We'll do the screws and come back and tighten them up, and then I'll do them off camera. I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll see how it's going to go together. Right, there we go, all attached and together, and I've brought in the other half of it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it joins up as is. There's definitely another panel that's got to go in either side of that to join that up. But that's it's huge. It's just immense. And there's obviously that's just the arm piece. There's a hand bit to go above that as well. So yeah, it's definitely getting there though. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye for now.